Welcome to Timpanogos Regional Hospital. After you enter the front doors, you and your parent will first check in at the registration desk. You will be given a hospital bracelet with your name on it. Then you will enter the radiology waiting room, where you can play or watch TV while you wait your turn. You may meet a child life specialist. They help teach kids in the hospital about what they may experience and help create a plan with you and your parent for the procedure to go well. She will show you all that you need to know about taking your pictures. She even has fun things to do while you wait. Next, you will change into hospital pajamas and take off anything that has metal that you are wearing so you are ready for your picture. MRI stands for Magnetic Resonance Imaging. It is a giant camera that uses magnets to take pictures. Don't worry, this camera does not touch you and does not hurt. You will climb up on the small bed. There will be seatbelts to keep you safe as the bed moves. You will wear headphones because the MRI camera makes loud clicking and banging noises. Some kids say it sounds like a drum or pots banging in the kitchen. You may also be able to listen to music. You will be able to hear and talk to the MRI technician taking your pictures at all times. Your job is to hold very still during the picture taking. If you accidentally move, the technician may have to retake the pictures or start over, and the pictures will take longer to complete. It's important to get all your wriggles out before the pictures. Your pictures should take about 45 minutes to an hour. Did you know CT stands for computed tomography scan? A CT technologist will be taking your pictures. You will be laying on this soft bed with seatbelts to keep you safe. The bed moves in and out of the camera. Your job is to hold very still during the picture taking. The tunnel is open on both sides and you can choose to have the lights on or off. The camera makes a noise like a washing machine. The pictures take about 5 to 10 minutes. Your parent or child life specialist may be able to stand next to you during your pictures. They will be given an apron to wear so we only get pictures of you. For an X-ray or nuclear medicine scan, you will change into hospital pajamas and take off any jewelry or anything that has metal that you are wearing. Your parent will be given an apron to wear during the picture taking. You will climb up on the small bed and the X-ray tech will help you position your body for the picture to be taken. The camera does not touch you and the pictures do not hurt. Sometimes they have to take more than one picture, but the picture taking is pretty quick. Your job is to hold your body still and listen to the X-ray tech so the pictures do not turn out blurry. An ultrasound is a way to take pictures of the inside of your body. You will walk into the room with your parent. This is what the ultrasound room looks like. You will climb up on the small bed and the sonographer will help you position your body for the pictures to be taken. You will need to lift up your shirt if the picture of your abdomen. The technician will help keep you covered with a towel. A small wand with jelly on it will help the sonographer take the pictures. You might feel a little pressure as the wand is moved around, but the pictures do not hurt. Sometimes they have to take more than one picture, but the picture taking is pretty quick. Your job is to hold your body still and listen to the sonographer so the pictures do not turn out blurry. You can listen to music or watch a video during the picture taking. When it is time to go home, you can wear your own clothes. Your doctor that requested the pictures will get them back in a few hours to a few days. If you have any questions, you can ask your technologist. Thank you for visiting Timpanogos Hospital. We love taking care of kids.